In this video, we are going to discuss about the skills and activities in the service desk. So, what are the main skills required for the service desk professional? The skills required are communication. He or she should have a better communication to handle the calls as well as to understand the users. Interpersonal skills. Interpersonal skills are probing skills where a customer has to be understood as well as you should understand the user's problem by probing it. Business and IT understanding. You should understand how the business works as well as how the IT infrastructure works here. Professionalism. You should be very professional when you attend the calls. Customer focus. You should be customer focused so that you can get the right information from the user and also assist him in the first go itself. Subject knowledge for a specialist service desk. For a specialist service desk, like if you take a network admin or an email admin or a Windows admin, you should be very thorough with the subject so that you should be specialized in those subjects. Coming to the activities of service desk, receive the call and log the call from end users and events, etc. You will be receiving the call and also you will be logging the call as a ticket from the user as well as from the events generated from the servers. Provide preliminary level of diagnosis as applicable. So, you should be providing the first level of support to the users whenever it is applicable. Categorize the incident as possible. So, you categorize the issue based on a request and an incident and a problem. Assign to relevant incident team. So, you should assign it to the respective teams like messaging team, Windows team, Linux team, and etc. Follow up with the incident team. So, whenever you receive a call again from the user, you should follow up with the respective team. Update status regularly and communicate to user as applicable. So, you should update the status regularly when they requested for a follow up. Keep an eye on agreed SLAs. So, you should adhere to the SLAs like response SLA and resolution SLA. Escalate as and when appropriate. So, you should escalate it to the third line as well as and when necessary when in an urgency. Confirm with the user before closing the incident. So, you should be getting a confirmation from the user before closing the incident or the issue. Provide service desk metrics report to the service desk manager. So, after clearing all these doubts and resolving the issue of the user, you should provide the metrics report to the service desk manager. So, by this way the activities and skills of the service desk can be enhanced by following all these steps.